Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to insert images in Word document and make all the images in same size. So keep watching, you will learn something new. First thing first, we are going to open Word document. This is my Word document, and here we are going to insert images first. Click on insert and then click on pictures, then revise. Where your image is located, you select that folder and insert all the images. Okay, so friend, here you can see these are my images, and all images are different size. Okay, for example, this is big size and this is more big size. Okay, so what I will do, I will make a same size all the images. Okay, so first thing first, we select the image, then click on this layout option and then click on this square option. Okay, and now we are going to move this, make it small like this. Okay, and then right click on it and then click size and position, then simply click on it, then uncheck these two things and then click OK button. Okay, and by keyboard shortcut key you can press only F4 from your keyboard button. Your image size will change automatically. You select the image and then press F4. You select the image, then press F4 and your size will change all the images. So friend, you can see that all the images size are same now. And if you want to do that, then follow this tutorial and it will help you. Friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.